Good morning, dear students. I am your English teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. Today I am here to teach you lesson 1 from your English grammar book. So, students, our today's topic is sentences. Let's start. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always has at least one finite verb. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So students, as you may have studied earlier also, a sentence is a group of words. Okay, students, it always gives us a complete meaning. A sentence always has a finite verb. Finite verb is the main verb of a sentence. A sentence starts with a capital letter. So students, you should always start your sentence with a capital letter and you should always end it with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. These marks, or we can say these punctuation mark, depends on which kind of sentence you are writing. Okay, so there are four kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Affirmative, negative are the parts of assertive or declarative sentences. Okay, students? A sentence in the form of a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Students, a sentence which is in the form of a statement, okay, is called an assertive or declarative sentences. For example, Saurav is a good boy. He is going to Meerut today. Suman goes to school every day. The old lady walked slowly. So all these are statements. An assertive or declarative sentence may be affirmative, positive, or negative. Assertive और declarative sentences affirmative यानी positive भी हो सकते हैं and it can also be negative. Okay, he will, for example, he will come, so it's a positive sentence. He will not come, so it's a negative sentences. Okay, a sentence in the form of a question is called an interrogative sentence. So students, when a sentence asks a question, or we can say interrogative sentences always ask question. Okay, there would be always question words in these sentences. For example, have you read the book? When did you meet her? Was he swimming? Did you meet Amit yesterday? So all these questions are asking something. Okay, so these are interrogative sentences. Sentence in the form of a command, request, etc. is called an imperative sentences. Okay, students? So imperative sentences always show command or request. Okay, for example, I said shut the door, so it's a command. Let's see some more examples. Please bring me a glass of water. So here in this sentence a request has been made. Okay, shut the door, it's a command. Let's go for swimming. Send the servant to the market. So it's all these four examples are based on imperative sentences. Okay, students? So please keep this in your mind that a sentence which shows a command or request, it is an imperative sentence. Okay, students? Now let's move on. A sentence in the form of an exclamation expressing feelings of joy, sorrow, surprise, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. So, what are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express strong emotions It could be an emotion of joy, happiness, sorrow, sadness, surprise, etc. Okay, let's move towards its examples. What a horrible sense. Okay, what a horrible scene. What a beautiful rose. God save the beggar. How foolish I have been. So, these are examples of exclamatory sentences. Subject and predicate. A sentence consists of two parts, the subject and the predicate. So, students, a sentence have two parts, subject and the predicate. Subject of a sentence is the part which denotes the person or the thing we are talking about. So, subject of a sentence is the part, जो सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट होता है वो पार्ट होता है जो डिनोट करता है कि जिस पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, द प्रेडिकेट इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस विच टेल्स अस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. सो प्रेडिकेट इज द पार्ट विच टेल्स अस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. प्रेडिकेट हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है. प्रेडिकेट सेंटेंस का वो पार्ट है जो हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है. द प्रेडिकेट विल ऑलवेज इंक्लूड द वर्ब. प्रेडिकेट में जो वर्ब है वो ऑलवेज इंक्लूडेड रहेगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. ही हैज़ गॉन टू मुंबई. तो ही इज द सब्जेक्ट. हु हैज़ गॉन टू मुंबई? ही. सो ही हेयर इज द सब्जेक्ट. प्रेडिकेट. प्रेडिकेट मीन्स हैज़. So students, predicate includes verb. Okay, subject I am happy there. Who is happy? I. So I here is the subject. Okay, am happy there is the part of the predicate. Let's move on. So that's all for today students. What you have to do is you have to make at least 15 sentences based on these 4 types of sentences which I have taught you today. Okay students, please first of all read this chapter and then do your work. Okay, thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.